Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep eating cookies. Let's start drawing. At first, I am going to draw Peppa Pig's eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw a smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. Now I draw her body. Then her two legs. I draw her cute curly tail. Then her hands. She is holding a plate with many yummy cookies. I draw some round shapes with some dots on them. Those are chocolate chips. Yummy! Now let's draw Suzy Sheep. I draw her eyes, then the shape of her head. I draw a smiling mouth for her, then her nose, and a circle for her cheek. Finally, her two ears. Now I draw her body and one of her arms. Finally, her legs and her tail. Now I draw her other arm in which she is holding a yummy cookie. I finish the drawing with the ground. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her skin pink. Then I use light purple for her cheek. And I color her dress red. I use a light brown color for a few cookies. And also a dark brown for the other half of the cookies. I color the plate with aqua blue. Now let's color Suzy Sheep. I use fuchsia for her nose and also for her dress. She is a white sheep, so I'll leave her skin white. I use some green for the grassy ground. Finally, I use some light blue for the sky. Wow, they look adorable! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.